Josh needs a special auditing laptop to execute the conduct audit work item. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about additional resources. The ability for a given resource to request additional resources to assist in the execution of a work item that it is currently undertaking. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. So here's the flash animation of additional resources. We start it now and it says Josh wants to get help from another resource for the conduct audit work item. And so this is requesting additional resources and the program says presumably it's okay, so we can complete the activity. In YAWL we can implement this by using non-human resources. In the default settings, accessing any blocked secondary resources only has the effect of an entry in the log. If we want to see some result in the behavior of the work items, we need to set the parameter in the web XML file of the resource service to true, as can be seen in the screenshot here behind me. Let's first look at our workflow specification. So we have conduct audit as our task here, and if we look at the resourcing, we can see that this is offered to the role auditor, and in the tab secondary resources we find that we need a laptop for this task. So now we are here in the control center and we can see two cases are already started and our users Jessica and Josh have these conduct audit work items offered in their work queue. And if we look at the menu item non-human resources, we can see that we have this special laptop here as a non-human resource. So we close that and we also have the YAWL control panel open here because there will be some interesting logging going on. Jessica starts conduct audit and she can put in some number and some findings. And while she's doing that, if we try we can accept the conduct audit work item for case ID 6, but if we try to start it, we get this error message, could not start work item conduct audit. And at the same time, in the log, we can see that the resource laptop is unavailable. And so we acknowledge this and we complete the other one and we now free this unique resource, and now we can start the work item and complete it. The YAWL specification that I have used here is in the supplementary material. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Thank you for watching.